Hey everyone, Steve here, and welcome to the Curation Cloud demo. In this demo, I'll be taking you through and showing you all the cool different features that we've included inside Curation Cloud. So at its very basic level, Curation Cloud allows you to create content from multiple different sources and post them to your WordPress blogs, to your social media. It also does that via backlinks to help you rank your blogs. It's worth noting at this point that even in the front end, you're able to post to unlimited blogs, so that you're able to dominate any niche. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, we've got on the menu on the left hand side here, we've got our dashboard, which is just our statistics on how many active blogs, how many social accounts we have, and how many blog posts we've made. Let's go take a look at the second section, content, before we go through the others. So we'll click on content, and as you can see here, this is the bread and butter of the application. So right now we're taking a look at multiple different sources and providing content from multiple different niches. Already we've got tons and tons of content here available for you to choose from. However, we can narrow that down via niche, and this is something you're probably going to want to do. So in the search bar here, you can search for a term related to your niche. You can also search for the time the content was created, whether it was 24 hours ago, 7 days ago, or any point in time at all. You can also say whether your content requires an image. I personally recommend doing this because if you're posting to your blogs or your social media accounts, an image works really well. You're also able to sort by date or via popularity, and if you go down here to source, you can select which source you want to pull content from. With the front-end version of Curation Cloud, you'll be able to pull content from Content Gems, which is a content discovery engine. Every single day, Content Gems goes out there and scans hundreds of thousands of different articles and presents you with the content it finds from all sorts of cool different sources. If you have the Pro version of Curation Cloud, you'll be able to add more sources here via custom RSS feeds, and you'll be able to put in any website you want that has an RSS feed. So I added a website here, goal.com, because I'm into football and I wanted to pull football blogs. So yeah, that was the thinking behind that. You can also do a minimum word count so that you're taking away posts that only have a certain amount of words. So say for example you're targeting longer tail content, you're going to want content that has more words. Okay, so as we can see, we've already got a ton of different content, and if we take a look at a demo marketing site I've set up, just to kind of show you the kind of results you can get with Curation Cloud very easily. So as you can see, this is my news website I've set up. I've basically set this WordPress website up for the purposes of this demo. As you can see, it all looks very nice and professional. And what's worth noting is all this content here that you can see is content that I've created with Curation Cloud. So you can see we've got a picture here of Tom Hardy not looking as handsome as he usually does. And if we go back to Curation Cloud, we can see that I actually pulled this post from Curation Cloud itself. So this is the kind of site that you can get it set up with Curation Cloud, and as you can say, you can set this up in any niche you want to and start dominating your niche. It supports unlimited blogs, so if you want to create 10, 20, even 100 blogs in a particular niche and all have them linking to one main blog for that extra ranking power, you're able to do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and make a test post. So let's say I want to make a content marketing website, or that's the niche I want to focus on. We can type in content marketing here. I'm going to say any, and I'm just going to leave all this as it is. Let's require an image because images are always good, and let's click search. Okay, and as we can see, we've got multiple different sources of content already. Content creation, a beginner's guide. Okay, so instantly I'm already interested in this because this is something that I would probably want if I had a affiliate marketing or content marketing based website. You're able to view the original source here. We can see how many words it's got here, 967, and when it was posted. So let's go ahead and post this. It's worth noting that I've already set up my blog and I already set up my social accounts inside here. If you want to know how to do that, please check the tutorial section inside Curation Cloud. Okay, so let's go ahead and make a post. And as we can see, this really kind of gives us multiple different customization options. We can see that it's picked up my WordPress blog website and also the Twitter account that I've linked up. You're able to edit the content here yourself if you want to, or you can go ahead and post it straight away if you feel that it's okay already. You're also able to pick from one image with regards to WordPress, and I believe with social media you're able to pick multiple images. But let's keep it at one for now. And you can see here the different accounts that I've got set up. Here's my Twitter account and here's my WordPress account. Again, you can add multiple different social media accounts and as many WordPress blogs as you want. Now, one of the cool things about Curation Cloud is that you're able to create backlinks via social share buttons, and these social share buttons, these social accounts will all link back to your main website. So for every post you make, you can have multiple different backlinks already linking to your main site. This is in addition to being able to syndicate to your own social media websites, giving you that extra ranking power. As we can see here, I can go ahead and publish it straight away, or I can schedule it ahead of time. So let's click schedule, and I'll go ahead and pick Sunday's a good day. We'll go next week. And we'll say, we'll do it at 10:55. There we go. And we'll click schedule. And as you can see, there's a little timer bar now where it prepares your post, and that's a success. So to be able to check your scheduled posts, if this was posted straight away, we go ahead onto the blog and we would take a look and it would appear. If we've posted it or scheduled it, we'll take a look down here inside the calendar function, and we can see, so these are just posts I made today for the purposes of the demo, and these here, yesterday and today. And if we go to next week when I scheduled my content curation post, here it is here. Again, you can make multiple posts as many times as you want inside a day. Cool. So that's basically how easy it is to get an automated content curation business up and running with Curation Cloud. And you can really kind of drill down with the different types of content you're using via different types of niche, different sources, etc. Here's where all your social accounts are linked up. I've only linked up my Twitter account for this demo. However, you're able to link up as many different accounts as you want, and it's as simple as entering in your login details. So we go add social account here. You can add your Facebook, your Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, etc. With WordPress, we've got the blog options here. So you would click create blog and then add your blog new, and here's mine here. We've got your calendar with your scheduling ahead of time, and here we have the tutorials which will be updated on how to connect your social accounts, connect your blogs, and do some cool stuff with Curation Cloud. Okay, so that hopefully you can get an idea into some, you can get something up and running really quickly and really easily with Curation Cloud. So I hope you enjoyed this demo, and I hope you have as much fun with it as I did. Just before I forget, here's the Twitter account that I was using, and it's an account I don't use anymore, but as we can see, it's been posting regularly from Curation Cloud under my name. And here's Tom Hardy once again, not looking his best, fair to say, but you can see it's all linking back to my website. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding Curation Cloud, let us know, and yeah, hope you enjoyed as much as we did. Thanks.